Hey y'all, so I am back and we are going to be making some okra water today. I'm currently 40 weeks pregnant. You can start this at 36 weeks. So this is just to really make the baby slip out. So you can have no tearing and whatever. But yeah, you should definitely start at 36 weeks. Because at 36 weeks, that is, you know, a good enough time. Like, I'm waiting too long, but it's better late than never. First things first, we're going to wash the okra. I'm gonna put it in here. A little Starbucks cup. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut the stem and let me use the one a little bit. Hold on. So you're gonna be cutting the stem and the ends. And you can go ahead and just put that in your cup.
I'm just calling to say it's me.
Okay, so I added in about 6 or 7, and now I'm gonna just pour the water. And yeah, just a little bit more. And then put the top on. And then into the fridge it's gonna go. I had also made these, and these waters, I actually cut the okra up into little pieces and I put them into a water bottle. So you have to let these sit for like at least 12 hours minimum, because it's gonna be nice and slimier, the better. Slimier the better, because that's what your punani is gonna be like. How you want the baby to slide. I'm gonna show you how to make these ones. Hold on. Take a little sip. I've just been using 2 for the water bottles. I think I might use 3 though. So I've just been cutting them smaller. And then this fits right, like if you just stuff it. And this will actually make it even slimier. So just cut the top off, cut the little bottom off, cut it into small pieces. I wish I had vlogs more during this pregnancy, but when I tell you guys, like, it was so hard. I would never want anybody to go through what I'm going through. little bit. Take 2. We're gonna do 3 for this one.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more.
I'm gonna force myself to drink it, regardless if I like it or not, because make sure you also keep it refrigerated because it will get moldy if you don't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna do 1 more because I have 3 more left. And just to get rid of it all. I'm 40 weeks pregnant and baby don't want to come out yet. I have not done any like inducing natural remedies yet. I'm gonna do it this week. I've just been so stressed out. So this pregnancy, oh baby, there's so many things that I wish I'd done during this pregnancy, but the amount of stress that came with it, it's just crazy. But we're here and we good and we blessed. Okay, that's all that matters. And we healthy. Okay. You could also take this drink, even if you're not pregnant. Like I said, if you have a little dry pom pom, I heard that it's also good to make you a little slippery. So I just used up that whole container. And like I said, do not leave these out because they will get moldy. So you always want to keep them refrigerated. I have like 7 bottles. I will show you guys what it is supposed to look like in 12 hours. I'll show you my reaction. It's the first time of me drinking it. I'm about to go wash my face, go to sleep because I am tired, okay? I actually feel really good for being 40 weeks pregnant. But this is what the body is bodying. Okay. 40 weeks. He was due March 4th. It is March 7th now. So he was due a couple days ago. Like I said, he didn't want to come out. And I knew he wasn't going to want to come out because I knew that due date was off. So we're thinking March 11th, March 13th. So we shall see. See you guys next time.